Alright, so this is going to be how to change a radiator fan in a 2001 Honda Civic. I'm going to be changing this one. They come individual. I'm going to be changing that one. So what you do first, you're going to disconnect the battery. How do you loosen these nuts up a little bit? You're going to do the negative first. Put this somewhere where you can remember. Make sure it's not touching any metal. Then okay. Then we're gonna undo this little holder that holds the battery. So what we're gonna do is, alright, so get your 10mm and just take it off a little bit. It's already pretty. This ratchet doesn't work that well. Unscrew it. You got that. Take that out. It usually is gonna be going through a hole down here, but this one is loose. So and you're gonna take the battery out. I can't do that. Alright, so the battery's out. Now we're gonna take this pan off. So we're going to take that pan off and give us some room. I'm going to take these bolts. 1, 2. Alright, so these are 12mm. Got these two. Crack them loose. Unbolt. And the other. So there's going to be a bolt right there. Where's my finger? Right there. And then directly on the other side. Right there. So we're gonna do that. Get an extension. It's gonna be easier. And it's gonna be a 12 as well. Like so. Alright, now that we got the battery out the way, next thing we're gonna do is gonna unhook this overflow tank. So you're gonna undo this bolt and then make sure this tube is out of these little clamps, and you'll see what I mean soon, shortly. Okay, so it's gonna want to fall soon. There's gonna be a little clip down here. I'll show you soon in another clip. You just gotta pull up on it. Just directly pull up, and this one will want to fall out. So you're gonna get these tubes. See that? It's just pinched in there. You just boop right like that. Same thing with these. This one's gonna be a little bit harder. See that? So you're gonna wanna, just like that. And that should be good to go, take out. And there it is. So I'm gonna put that there for now. Okay, so the bolts holding the fan are gonna be 10mm, just two. Right there, and right there. Uh-oh.
Looks like you lost another one.
So you're gonna get in there. Back it loose. Unbolt. Also, if you need room, you might have to undo this tab, undo this connection. So what you're gonna do is push on this button right here. Hold up. Push on the button, pull out. And you have a little bit more room. See what you need to do. You're gonna need an extension. Careful you're not stripping, it's an awkward position. A wrench might be better, whichever suits you. Yes, we don't want to fall out right there. Make sure you don't mix up your bolts, which I think I just did. But yeah, and then so you don't want to fall out. So make sure you don't pinch anything. Yeah, we're gonna have to take this tray out, and then yeah, and then you should be able to get the fan out of here. Make sure it's disconnected, or you're gonna be messing up some lines. Let's see. Can we do it? Careful with the hose, the radiator hose. And just pull it up, pull that baby up. Just gotta kind of wiggle it around, play with it, talk nice to it. Oh wow, I got caught. Look what happened there. Yeah, watch where your tubes are, cause I almost screwed that up. And then we're out. We are out. Now to put the new one in. Okay, so let's get out of the box. It's pretty dang similar. It's not exact OEM, it's Dorman, but it's a cheap version and it still fit, and it still should work good. I saw good reviews on this. I'll keep you guys updated on it too. But we're just gonna pop it in same way. Put these two bolts on. They're 10mm. And then make sure these go in the tabs, I believe. Yep, there's tabs at the bottom. The connections right there. Make sure these pins, these little nipples go into the hole. And that's how you do it. So let's do it. So make sure everything's out of the way when you're dropping it in. All the cords, all the tubes, everything possible. And you drop it in. Remember, play with it. Talk nice to it, like always. Be nice to it, be kind, good heart, and you get everything done. So that's what it's going right now. It's locking my talking. Okay. So then we're gonna maneuver it. I gotta put this down real quick. I'm gonna get this loop around that radiator hose. That's a problem right there. Okay. And then okay, so now we're sitting there. About to put the nipples in the hole. Put it in here, boom, in there. Okay, so it's all in. Now basically, all these should line up, just like so. And you bolt it up, make sure to connect your connection, and then we're good. Okay. Screw it in. Screw it in. Get it both in there. And then you're gonna oh no. Ooh. There we go. Okay, so my camera died, but to put the overflow tank back on, you're gonna want to. There's gonna be a clip. There's gonna be a tab at the bottom near the fan, and I'll show you that clip right now. Okay, so this tab I was talking about is going to be right here. You see that? You're going to want to push the tank into that. Put it in the original spot first, and then push it down. It's going to have a little bit of resistance, but it will pop in. Once you pop that in, then you're going to screw in your 10mm bolt into the hole, and then thread the tube back into the little pinch things, and then you're good to go. After you get the overflow tank installed, you're going to go to your left and install the battery tray. You're going to put the 4 bolts in to the following places that I'm going to show, and then you're going to install your battery, and make sure you put your negative and your positive wires in the correct place. Oh yeah.